Hi guys, welcome to another Flutter tutorial. So today we'll be talking about this package, animated text kits, and this package helps you achieve animations like this. And then I think there are other examples in the package. You can achieve this kind of animation. You can achieve the fade animation. You can achieve typewriter type animation and typewriter animation here. Scale animation. You can achieve colorize animation. See how the color changes. You can achieve text liquid fill animation. You can achieve wavy flicker and the rest. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use text liquid fill and typewriter. Okay. Just to add a bit of style to your coding or to your app that you're building. So the first thing you need to do is go to your postgres YAML file, and this is it right here. Then you add this package to your dependency. Right, so as you can see, we have several dependencies here already. Animated text kits, so you can choose to put it this way with the current version, or you just leave it open, like maybe keep it this way, to keep it open just in case. But it depends on what you want to achieve. And then the next thing, you go to your file where you want to get this implemented. So we're going to be using, so I'm going to walk us through the text animated fill, text liquid fill rather, which is what gives this animated wavy effect here. Right, so all you need to do is in your child, just add this, add text liquid fill, right, and then to know what you can fill in there, so just put your mouse over there and then you will see the different options you can use for that widget over there. Right, so I'll just walk us through what we did. So we had a text get started, and then we have a wave color of white. That is why there's white in there. And then we have the background of deep purple accents, and the text. For the text style, we had a font of 17, and then the box height and duration is kept at 1000, so it loops for a very long time. Then the other one we have is animated text kits. Animated text kits, right? So there are different features inside, but you have animated text, and then what we're using in there is typewriter animated text, right? And then this is the text itself, and then what we're using is bouncing and out. So you can change this to whatever you want. Let's say you can bounce in only. So those are different effects. You can choose whatever effect you want in there. Alright, so and of course the text style with the fonts you want, and then is repeating animation true. We set our repeated animation true, so it repeats for as long as possible. Total repeat count has to be 100. I set it to 100, but it can be less than that, or depending on what you want, because most time for a get started page like this, people won't stay long on the page, right? And of course, just feel free to hover around and check the different things you can do, right, with this package, and tell me what you think. Alright guys, thanks for watching.